Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where dreams meet design and luxury becomes a lifestyle. Today, we bring you an extraordinary property that redefines perfection, a $19,995,000 legendary estate located at 1072 Newbern Court, Lake Sherwood, Thousand Oaks, California. Designed by world-renowned architect Richard Landry, this iconic colonial revival masterpiece is a true symbol of timeless elegance and architectural brilliance. As the drone rises above the hills of Lake Sherwood, a breathtaking vision unfolds, 6.5 acres of manicured beauty surrounded by panoramic 360-degree views of the lake, golf fairways, and the rolling Santa Monica Mountains. The grand white-pillared mansion gleams under the California sun, its golden glow reflecting the prestige and tranquility that only few homes in the world can offer. Passing through the private gates, a dramatic motor court welcomes you with a cascading fountain, setting the tone for what lies beyond. Step inside and you're greeted by a magnificent two-story grand foyer, marble floors, and a sweeping staircase under a crystal chandelier that dances with natural light. Every corner of this residence is crafted with passion, precision, and purpose. From the detailed crown moldings to the designer fixtures, this home tells a story of sophistication and success. The great room offers floor-to-ceiling windows framing spectacular mountain and lake views, creating a perfect balance between grandeur and warmth. The open-concept family room flows seamlessly into a state-of-the-art kitchen adorned with marble countertops, a massive island, and high-end stainless steel appliances. This isn't just a kitchen, it's the heart of the home, where luxury meets comfort and memories are created around the aroma of perfection. The formal dining room speaks of class. A long elegant table under a golden chandelier, surrounded by artwork and panoramic views, perfect for hosting intimate dinners or grand celebrations. Moving further, a separate reception room, media and game lounge, and private home theater elevate entertainment to an entirely new level. The primary suite is pure indulgence, a serene private retreat with its own veranda overlooking the lake and mountains. Morning sunlight gently fills the room, creating a soft golden glow across the luxurious king bed and velvet decor. Two opulent bathrooms, two massive walk-in closets, and spa-inspired finishes complete this royal experience. Every bedroom in this estate is designed to offer comfort and privacy, blending elegance and tranquility in perfect harmony. Beyond the interiors lies an outdoor paradise. The resort-quality grounds feature a spectacular glass-tiled infinity pool and spa, glowing under the California sky. A romantic gazebo, an outdoor kitchen, a championship tennis court, and wide promenade terraces surround lush gardens and green lawns. As night falls, the entire property transforms. Soft lights shimmer across the pool, the gardens come alive, and the mansion glows like a crown on a hill. For those who value wellness and privacy, this estate includes a self-contained guest house, a separate fitness center, and a carriage house above the garage. Garages for 6 cars ensure every masterpiece has its place, while the smart home technology, climate-controlled wine wall, and advanced security systems make living here both effortless and secure. Every inch of this 13,276 square foot home has been meticulously designed for a life of grandeur and peace. Even the outdoor terraces, covering nearly 3,000 square feet, invite you to slow down, breathe in the mountain air, and feel the power of stillness surrounded by nature's beauty. And yes, a private deeded boat dock on Lake Sherwood completes the dream, giving you direct access to quiet waters and unforgettable sunsets. At American Dream Mansions, we showcase the world's finest homes, places where vision, luxury, and architecture come together to inspire your dreams. If you loved this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more breathtaking estate showcases every week. From the heart of California's most exclusive neighborhood, this is American Dream Mansions, inspiring your next dream home, one masterpiece at a time.